Permaculture is important because it focuses on creating sustainable and self-sufficient systems that work with the nature. It helps conserve resources like water and soil, reducing waste and pollution. By promoting biodiversity, permaculture supports healthier ecosystem and increase the food security. It encourages local food pollution, which reduces the need for transportation and lower carbon footprint. Overall, permaculture offers a practical way to live more sustainability and harmoniously in the environment.
Example of permaculture, you can plant crops under a garden with trees, shades, and ground cover. All provide shade to those crops which need shade while give nutrients to the soil.
So, permaculture is a designed philosophy that focuses on creating sustainable and self-sufficient systems by mimicking natural ecosystems. It integrates principles of agriculture, water management, and community living to create environments that supports human needs while regenerating the earth. It also promotes biodiversity by planting variety of crops and encouraging natural habitats, enhances resilience against pests and climate change. Through these practices, permaculture offers a holistic approach to sustained living, aiming to restore the balance between people and nature.
It's clear that permaculture is not just a way of farming, but a way of life that can guide us towards a more sustainable future.